Looking to get fit? Use the latest biometric technology to keep you on track. Track your results anytime, anywhere with the press of a button. Get a 360-degree view of your vital stats in seconds with BELLO. BELLO is compact, stylish, and ready to go when you are. Use near-infrared technology to get your unique biometric footprint. Detect progress and areas for improvement. Precise information that goes far beyond the traditional body mass index. And our 9-block therapy program can inform and empower your personal fitness and body goals. Create a unique program based on your biometric data, designed to meet your fitness goals. Take control with tailored body fat management by BELLO 2. The new version of BELLO for a new you, available for a limited time, only on Indiegogo.